Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, we have the mega film producer from Canada. We should have said from all over the world. Seeing Kamag5. He might talk to the youths them in the Trinibad genre. Because you know say Kama, his mother and father come from Trinidad. And Kama they are Trinidad all the time. This is the man who bring out the Louis Rankin movie. You understand? You ain't no killer. You understand? So he's gonna kick it to the youths them in the music business and show them some knowledge. You understand? Someone wanting to sit back and listen. Now, before I go, remember, Kama and myself, Countryman, we're doing a podcast and it's going to be syndicated through iTunes, Spotify, YouTube, and all the major platforms that does podcasts. So stay tuned and check out for that. That's coming soon. The big, heavy Jamaica first, country first. We're going to the podcast. With that said, come in, Kama, and talk to the people then.
Yes, countryman, big up yourself. Jamaica's first. Countryman first. Jamaica's first. You see it? Countryman. Yes, big up yourself. Let's get into this. You get me? Thanks for all the marketing and promo, publicity and everything. And looking forward to our new venture that we're gonna do with the Yank Shorts, with the You Ain't No Killer. We're gonna be putting each episode into shorts and posting it up on Jamaica's First on Countryman's channel, and then the next one on my channel, EZM Films on YouTube. Yeah, with that said, we don't want to go into all of that. I want to talk about something very serious that's been on my heart and my mind and my soul for a very long time. You know, sometimes it's a journey and it takes long, and we got to go through a lot of shit. You know what I mean? In order to get to our calling and figure out our calling in life, you know? And I wonder to myself, I have almost 40 dead homies and friends and family and whatnot from in the streets and on the road, stemming from Canada to Trinidad to Jamaica to America to United Kingdom, all over the place, Grenada, all over the place, and also many more that's been shot and injured. A lot of crying mothers and family and a lot of orphans, you know, and a lot of kids left fatherless and whatnot, and even motherless, because a lot of females are getting killed in the Caribbean. And this is mainly for the Caribbean, because this is where we all come from and our background. Even if we're out here in foreign, I'm seeing my background is Trini, and I'm raised by Jamaicans. Yard man them raised me in the streets and show me how to move and grow me up. But my father and my mother are Trinidadians. I'm from the west in Trinidad, a place called Pity Valley and Cocorita, where my family's from. And I grew up in them place. They're Block 9. You know what I'm saying? And also from in Belmont, in Tongue, where my father's from. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and what I want to touch on really, the Trinibad movement, you know. It's a great movement, an excellent movement. I would love it, and we support that. But it's got to expand more, and we need more positive vibrations in it. More gal tune, more party tune, more money tune, more success tune, more positive tune. And we need the badness too. I'm not gonna lie, I like my badness same way, but I don't need to be oversaturated with it. That's all in my brain all the time. Let's mix it up a little bit. Get me? Yo, I don't have nothing against nobody. So you see me call out everybody. Could be Chinese. They say Chinese runs a lot of things in the world, coming in the Caribbean. You know what I mean? Doing a lot of things and behind a lot of things too as well. I have nothing against nobody or LGBTQ or whatever you call it. When I'm talking, I'm just talking from what I know and letting the people them know what it is. And everybody's supposed to be able to talk and have freedom of speech and talk what they feel about anybody, as long as they're not bashing anybody, cursing anybody, or calling anybody out no kind of way. And this is what I'm not doing. Just telling you things that happen. There's a bigger picture. You're making a small percentile of the pie while they sit on top and they make the whole thing without no talent, without no skill, without no nothing. Just guys, manipulation and lies they use to control this for their money. But it's not about money for them, because they have endless money can't done. It's to control the society and have the slave society and have the people serve them, and they manipulate and use us and do what they want with us and sit back and look and laugh like a game. How you play video games, this is a big video game for them. And they sit back and they watch the video game and they stay on top and they watch everything and control it. And what they're doing is hip-hop started and dancehall started. Dancehall started with a rhythm and came from a rhythm. The doom, 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 doom. Hip-hop had the boom, bap, original rap, doom, 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 doom. Listen to the rhythms. They all come from the same essence. This is one rhythm and one frequency, right? Music was very positive, popular, love-orientated, enjoyment, vibes, and winding up. Now you fast forward into the future, they eliminate that. The powers that be did that. The people them I was telling you about on top, whoever they may be. Some say they're Jewish, some say they're white, some say some black ones, they sell us out. Vivendi, there's all kind of different companies. I'll get into that a little more. But guess what now? What they did was take this frequency by manipulating the industry, controlling the industry, picking the artists that they want to be famous and big, and the artists that they want to represent and do the music. Conscious, they don't want that. Look at hip hop. It started off and it was all conscious. First it was just hip hop and b-boys rap. And when the conscious movement started and got big, those artists didn't get nowhere. And they eliminated them. Gangster rap came along and they bigged up gangster rap. Fast forward with the reggae music, now they're doing the same thing. The reggae music came out and the reggae music was always conscious, cultural, political. At first it was just a fun music, just like how b-boy music and hip-hop music was. It was just a fun music, and then it went to political, conscious, Rastafari, and it went so far to Bob Marley with the Prime Minister them and Lightning Strike with Siaga them, and then they try to kill Bob Marley. And then and eventually they did kill Bob Marley. And when they killed Bob Marley now, all of that dead, all that conscious dead.
That was Kamag5, the big heavy film producer and music producer. Seeing, I remember now, me and him, we have a podcast coming out on iTunes, all the major platforms, Spotify, Tidal, you name it, it's gonna be there. So stay tuned for that. Now, as you look at the screen, that Shotty Mark, I make Shotty Mark know say, me not finish with him. So if him in the Bronx, you better run with my youth or turn yourself in. With that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And all the subscriber them, my love you know. You understand? Especially that special subscriber there. Them know me attack. I'm out.